Well, welcome to my new channel. This channel will be about paranormal from my perspective, and I will have a disclaimer up here very quickly. I do not want you to connect it to any religion or any other thing, but my own perspective, my own feelings on things paranormal, or what some people call woo. So for this first one, this is my experience with nature spirits. There are so many unknown things in this world. A lot are things we've forgotten or we've been told it's of the devil, or it's simple-mindedness and not of science. I'm not sure why we made science king. I believe that we've been told to rest everything on our five senses. So does our body stop at five? Well, they've measured the electrical body, and those amazing scientists, now admit to something more. Well, pagan folks, many indigenous folk, and others not drunk on there's only five senses, are watching sciences slowly, hesitantly admit to discovering new truths that many of us have already known for a lifetime, even for millennia. There's more. When I was a child, very sensitive, very open to energies, I sense things, vibrations. I've seen light, colors around things like plants, animals, and people. One would say now auras, but I didn't know what they were called then. I just thought it was normal to see this. I've known things often, not always, about people's intentions, although the God light, and by that I mean the love and everything, is where I'd go first. I was always a very love-centered person, and I thought the whole world was loving, so I was rather shocked at negative reactions from people. So now I will give you a brief history of nature spirits. In mythology, nature spirits or deities are composed of etheric matter. Their job is to build and maintain the plant kingdom while working in conjunction with the devas and elementals. They are said to have been here since the beginning of time, have created the landscape of reality which we return to for different reasons as guided. The term nature deity typically refers to the concept of gods or goddesses in mythology associated with various perceived forces of nature. They feature commonly in polytheistic religions. That was from Crystal Links online. So continuing on with my experiences, I eventually started seeing colored orbs floating around. Not always. I had to be in a certain frame of mind. It was kind of like a trance state. I would see colored orbs with indefinite shapes moving within them, seeing them light on trees, hang in the air, come and go. I didn't see tons of them. I just saw some. Sometimes I'd see small figures clamber over plants in my mind's eye. Or was it? It's difficult to know sometimes. We're so often told to dismiss our inner worlds. But the thing is, they would appear very quickly. I didn't really think I had enough time to conjure up an image. They would just show up. So, how I approach natural spaces is with a lot of respect. I usually go into a forest or a natural area inwardly, asking for, what do you call it? Asking permission to set my foot inside their area, promising to hurt very little if I can, and thanking for allowing me to come in. I actually do this quietly to myself, and I've been doing it for quite a while now, just to show respect. And what I also don't do is I don't chase any orbs that I see. I don't try to capture anything nature spirit wise. And I usually, if I do see them, I don't tell people exactly where I see them. I've been doing this for a while, and I know, I believe truly, let's say, that our dimensions interbleed. It may be connecting a physical energy with a more astral energy. But the point being is that they have their own jobs and we have our jobs. Do I think nature spirits are higher than us? No, I do not. I think humans are the highest spirituality, or what am I saying? I think humans are the highest before God. We're made in His image. So I think the only difference is that they are running at their highest potential, and we have lost our belief in our potential. We've lost our belief on how amazing we are. So I'd like to finish this off by telling people to learn to honor those beings as fellow brothers and sisters. We're doing our work and they are doing theirs. They will have human lives someday as they learn. Don't chase them. Don't hurt the environment. Care about the environment. Give love to the environment and treat it well, because everything has God within them. And learn to treat all things as if the God within matters. The trees, the soil, the water, the air, other beings, because it does. Love above all. Love. That's all that matters.